If you're getting the additional security step required error on Instagram, here's how to fix it quickly. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines at the top right, then open the Account Center. Now go to Password and Security and select Two-Factor Authentication. Choose your account and enable two-factor authentication. You can use an authentication app or any available method. Just follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup. In most cases, this fixes the Instagram security verification issue instantly. If the problem continues, try updating the app. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and if there is an update, tap on Update. Still not fixed? Then uninstall and reinstall the app to remove bugs. And as a final step, restart your device to clear temporary issues. And yeah, that's how you fix the Instagram additional security step required error quickly and securely.